Hey guys, this guy just dropped off this snowblower about probably a half an hour ago. Just draining the oil now. You can see, just turning it over, and it's hitting there, and it's got a little bulge here, but it didn't crack through, and no cylinder scoring. So yeah, this is just completely rebuildable, I'm thinking. So this guy will be happy. Let me show you how many low hours this thing has. Crazy. This thing is a tank too. Airens, 24-inch, 8.5 horse Tecumseh. I mean, this thing is ridiculous. 14-inch impeller. It's amazing. It's awesome too. Yeah, headlight, electric start too, and everything. Brand new though. Look at this paint. Look at these stickers. That's ridiculous. It's like 10 years old too, the guy is saying. But yeah, finally got some business. That's good. Probably make $100 or so on this. So yeah, expect more updates from this thing, and thanks for watching. Bye.